So if you watch any of my videos, then you know I share a lot of minimalist tools on this channel for photographers. Well, this video is no different. Today I'll be sharing how the iPad Mini 6 is a powerhouse minimalist tool great for photography in 2024. My name is Felicia Bass. I'm a freelance photographer here in Jacksonville, Florida, and welcome back to my channel. Now, there's been a lot of buzz about a new iPad Mini 7, but nothing has happened yet. You know, Apple is known for creating a lot of buzz around a new product, but not releasing that product until many, many years later, if at all. Nevertheless, the iPad Mini 6, in my opinion, is still the best device, is still the perfect device from Apple in 2024, and it has an identity all its own. For me, I get the most out of this device for photography by using it primarily for photo edits on the go using the Lightroom mobile app. This is super useful when paired with the Apple Pencil. I've got my workflow figured out pretty much to a science, so like I said earlier, this is the perfect photography companion. So I have the MacBook Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So the iPad Mini fits nicely between the two of these devices, offering its own conveniences. The device has been a perfect companion as well as a great addition to my photography toolkit. So I've taken the iPad Mini with me to Vegas. I've taken it on a couple of quick trips to Georgia, and now it's going with me on a trip to New York. So I can say that the device has really been tested out in the field and it works really well for me. So I'm really happy with the device. I like how it flows with my workflow. I like how easy it is. I like how convenient it is out in the field. Again, it doesn't feel overwhelming like some of the other iPads are. So I'm really happy about that. Like I said, I have small hands, and so I need things that are really gonna work well with me, and the iPad Mini has been a great fit. So let's talk about the size of the iPad Mini. In terms of the size, side by side with the Apple iPhone Pro, you can see the differences in the size. Overall, the iPad Mini checks all the boxes: size, sync factor, Apple ecosystem, and the iPad Mini adds almost no weight to whatever bag I decide to toss this in. So if you're a photographer or a creative and you're wondering if the device is powerful enough for you, the short answer is yes. If this is your first iPad, think about all the things you want to store on it: your photos, your videos, music, podcasts, apps, and everything else. If you're the type who likes to download shows to watch offline, edit photos, or use the iPad to create in other mediums, you may want to go with the max 256 gigs of storage. The more storage you have, the more room you have to store your content now and in the future. Well, hopefully you've gotten some value out of this video. Hopefully you've gotten some helpful information out of this video. Take a look at my latest video of what's in my camera bag for short travel trips. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, peace.